Hi, today I'm reviewing XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration section. After that you'll see here notification sound section, and we can see that in now it's the dropless sound. Just click here. We can use the ringtones, the online ringtones, online notifications for our device, but to do that we should be connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. But if you want to use the regular default sounds, we should switch ringtones to profile and click here to ringtones. After that we should apply one from this available sounds which you will like. For example, let's use this one. Click here to apply and tap to OK. After that one will go back again to the sounds and vibration settings. We can see that we just successfully changed notification sound to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.